Before I show you how you can increase your list of subscribers from Facebook using this amazing tool, I want to go a bit further and I want to show you how to do some advanced Facebook search. So I want to see how to search for a group. So I'm going to click on here, search group, and as you have a niche and you want to market on this niche, for example, you want to promote here and here golf players, I'm gonna extract all the groups related to golf, so that if you want to promote, here you can see this is closed, this is public. So to get acquainted here, to be accepted, you need of course to apply to this, and the other one are open. Okay, the fact is that if I stop this routine, okay, I'm going to download. Okay, I'm going to include only the ID of the group. Download. I'm going to open it. Okay, this is in text format. Okay, something like that. And I'm gonna save this as CSV file. Okay, save as. Here is docs. I'm gonna save this as SV file. So the nice part now is that when I have this group, now I'm going to find here group member extractor. I'm gonna choose a file. I'm gonna select this file. You see now, I choose this and I'm gonna click on extract, and it's huge because here I'm going to get the email addresses of all the users, of all the Facebook users who posted in these groups, and I have a lot of groups. Okay, I'm selecting this. You can see I'm gonna show you the last one. I have 100 groups only in this, so can you imagine how much I'm going to retrieve? Okay, so of course most of them are closed groups. You can retrieve information only if you are part of this group, so I would suggest that you go to this group, you become a member of this group. Okay,